There's one question that you can ask yourself whenever you're feeling unsure about a life decision or where you want to go to really help get clarity fast. And that question is this: what would you love? Imagine for a moment that there were no barriers, no limitations on what you could have. What would you want more of in your life? What would you want less of? What would you do, be, or create in the world? You see, here's why this question works where others may fail. When you start from a place of what you would love, you're free. Even if just for a moment, you're free from what you think you should do, free from what other people have told you is possible or impossible, and even free from your own doubts and fears, because here's the ultimate truth. The decisions you make from the perspective of your highest potential rather than your limitations of your current circumstances always make the biggest impact. So let me know in the comments, what's one thing that you would love for your life this day?